On the 26th of February 2018, Papua New Guinea was struck with one of the strongest earthquakes ever recorded in modern history. So the challenges were for the identified 127,000 children who need life-saving support was to get in there quickly. From day one, we were present, we were operational, and we were able to bring in immediate interventions for children. The areas we were focusing on were very evident. In fact, the emergency just wasn't the earthquake, it was actually the condition of life for people there on the highlands already. Lack of access to clean water, lack of access to health services, malnutrition, issues around health of disease, communicable diseases, and lack of infrastructure.
We faced great security threats or risks in such a highly volatile environment, resulting in staff, including myself, facing, or rather being at risk of vulnerabilities such as injuries and even trauma. But that actually didn't stop us from our purpose of being there, principally in service to children. It was like adding fuel to a fire of commitment. We were basically determined, and so we bravely went back to the area and continued to provide life-saving support to children who desperately needed it at